today? Today it's Wednesday. By the way, if you didn't know, it's 7:18, and I have to figure out these kids what they're getting for lunch. Well, that there, my friend, was my alarm. Sorry. I have to be gone by 7:30, the latest. 7:40. Trying to figure out what I'm gonna feed these kids, and I don't know. For some reason, where we live in right now, people are just nosy. This lady came up to me yesterday. She was like, "You know, your tags are dead." I said, "Technically, they're not dead. They're just missing the sticker because I accidentally trashed the stickers." Well, it's just, well, where we live, it doesn't, you don't put the month. It's just the year. So I'm like, how does she know my sticker is dead? Unless it's color-coded or something. But I was like, whatever. I'm new here. I'm not going to trip. So I said, it's not dead. I trashed the sticker. She was like, well, you might want to make a trip to the MVA. I'm not making a trip to the MVA because my husband already put in the order. I was going to show her the temporary sticker that they gave me, printed out from the temporary registration card they gave me just in case I get pulled over. I was going to show it to her, but then I was like, I don't know this woman. I was this close to tell her to go screw herself, but I was very nice. And then she looked at my windshield, because in this state you have to get your car inspected, and then they put a sticker on your windshield. And she goes, oh, that's dead too. I said, I know, I can't, I said, I know. But I didn't explain to her that I need a valid registration in order to renew that. But I'm like, she was just all up in my Kool-Aid. I was just going to be like, you want a dildo so you can screw me? Because what else do you want me to say to you? Just mind your own goddamn business. I am an adult. I am aware of my car situation. You're not the cop. If the cop pull me over, I have everything squared away too. But who are you? Are you a police? Who are you? A concerned citizen? I don't know. But anywho, I'm going to have a good day today. You guys are going to have a good day because I'm not putting that energy on you guys. So you guys are going to have a good day. And we're all going to be A-okay. Okay? Let me get these kids out of this house. Good morning, Maddie. Good morning. She got a cold. Right after her therapist left on Monday, she got sick. So I'm pretty sure that lady saw a little child that was sick and brought it here.
I'm sick
My
too.
Pookie is sick.
I don't know if I'm
Pookie
sick.
is sick. Are you sick?
I sneezed on me yesterday.
So I'm getting better at timing these days. It's 7:33 and I'm done with lunches. I do have to go to the grocery store, which is so annoying because I don't like to go grocery shopping in the middle of the week because it's more of an inconvenience than anything else. I just like to drop, come back, and then get started on whatever project I have going, or the house, whatever. But I have to go pick up dinner. I have to pick up some more items for lunches this week. And my anxiety is, I'm slowly getting it under control, but right now my anxiety is a good 5, you know, a manageable 5, because I have a lot of stuff to come back. I gotta come back and clean my kitchen. I gotta finish painting the bathroom upstairs, and it's just me. It's just little old me. But anywho, I'm gonna go get these kids to school, and I will come back and catch up with you guys later. Pants. Pass my pants.
Destiny is.
I don't even know what shoe I'm wearing.
The Adidas.
Or my purple dino. No, I can't wear purple and orange.
How about your sandals?
I could wear my sandals. I don't think it's that cold.
But you, yeah, you could.
Signature?
Yes, signature right here. I want to feel like walking with both legs.
I keep thinking these pants have pockets, but they're jeggings.
They do have pockets. See, wait, leather.
Okay. Where? Why
Sign down here.
Oh,
And you're
sorry.
supposed to sign up there.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Oh, my brain yesterday was not working. Jaxson, did you do your fry spelling verse? Do you remember verse? Memory verse, please.
Don't be afraid, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you. I will uphold you with my victorious right hand. Psalm 41:10.
Okay, good job. You're supposed to do it every day, at least for 5 minutes. Here you go.
Okay.
Right here. All right. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Put your head. Get in. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Stop picking up food off the ground. What's the matter? You what? Okay. I'm at Target right now because I have to get I have to pick up coffee creamer and what else? No, just coffee creamer. I keep telling myself I have to get. No, it's just coffee creamer. I already went to Aldi's and yes, baby, I'm sorry. I'm over here chatting up a storm. Don't even hear my child talking to me. But hey, sweetness. Yeah, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Are we gonna have a good day today? She doesn't like being out in public. She has meltdowns and she has social anxiety and separation anxiety, mixed the two together. So I'm gonna run in here real quick and I want to be back at the house by 9. It's 8:20, so wish me luck. We're not leaving yet. Give me a hand. Give me a hand. We're gonna go get, I can't even make it to the back of the store without her acting up. See, look, this is what I deal with every day. Give me a hand. Give me a hand. We're gonna go to the store. We're gonna go to the back of the store to go get coffee creamer. I can't even do that. It's not even like I'm in the store and I'm just walking. I almost busted my face. It's not like I'm in the store and I'm just like, you know, walking around and punishing her, like having her just walk around the store. I'm just going to pick up one item and I can't even make it to the back of the store. But at least she's coming. But I'm vlogging with my phone, so it's gonna shake and I don't want you guys to throw up, so I'll see y'all back in the car. Come to me. I'm on Ace Map. Whoa! Whoa, that's hot. Don't taste right. Don't taste right. Okay, I'll still drink it. But I'm gonna show you guys what I got from the store. Hold on. So I got some milk, and it's a good thing I did because I thought I had milk, but come to find out, I saw the bottle in the trash. So good thing I got that. Got some cucumber, creamy Alfredo sauce. I forgot to get the zucchini, whatever. I'm gonna do zucchini noodles. Can't talk today. Onion, and 2 things of eggs, a big thing of rice. These big packs of lead quarters, it was $2 off, so I paid $2.47 for that one, $2.15, and $2.46 for that one. And I have 2 things of corn chips, and I think that's all I got, and the creamer. That's it. Guys, I crashed. Actually, I didn't crash. I went to one of my good friends' house to go drop off some Ray-Dun, seasonal Ray-Dun that I wasn't using. So I gave those to her because her birthday's tomorrow. And I just was like, if I'm not using it, why not give it to someone who can use it? So I came home and what did I do? Rob had to pick up the kids from school because they had drama. And so he picked them up, and then I made baked chicken with rice. I wasn't hungry because I'm doing the keto. I'm doing lazy keto, and I discovered this new recipe. It's called truffle. It's where you mix egg, cheese, whatever else ingredients. I put almond flour, a little bit of sweetener, and it tastes so good, like so good. So I had that and egg and bacon, turkey bacon, and that kind of filled me up. So I wasn't really hungry for dinner, so I didn't eat dinner. So I'm like, oh, I forgot I was vlogging today, and I have to give you guys the video tonight. So I have to go edit it and put it up tonight, and then the next vlog will be on Friday, and then you guys get lunch video on Saturday. So that's that. But I'm so sorry I stopped vlogging. It's just that I got caught up, and yeah, so I will see you guys on Friday. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys.